Let's focus on the B sound that can be heard in the beginning and end of words like in bib and in the middle of words like in table. To make the B sound, keep your teeth slightly apart, but keep your lips together. Relax the corners of your lips and build up some air pressure right behind them. Your voice is on, so you should feel vibration in your throat. B, b, b. Now you try to say the B sound. Today, we'll learn how letters make certain sounds and how we use those sounds to decode and read words. The letter B is a consonant that makes the voiced B sound, like in the word bib. We'll use the B sound when decoding a word with the letter B. We'll say each sound from left to right, then blend the sounds together to read the whole word. Let's practice decoding a word with the B sound. First, look at the word. Then, say each sound from left to right, remembering that the letter B makes the B sound. B, I, B, bib. Now you give it a try. Great job! You just decoded and read the word bib. Have fun practicing decoding words with the letter or consonant B, which makes the B sound.